Sisemzimkhulu wezokurhatsha eJohannesburg la zididiyelwa khona indaba zephasi.
We'll never forget his commitment to fighting for social justice and promoting democracy.
And Professor Bengu gave me a loan. A few of us, and we signed for that loan. I paid it when I was working.
Uphekelele endaweni yakhe yokugcina namhlanje ungqongqotshe wokuthoma wezefundo uProfessor Sibusiso Bengu.
Kungumhlolo siyakhuza sitsho ukuthi akusiyinto ekufanele sivumele simphakathi.
Ukhunjulwe ngemisebenzi emihle ukuzithoba ngokusebenzela umphakathi usihlalo obukhosi bakwaNzwizafene uKosabo Thugwana impilo yakhe eqineliswe kabuhlungu.
Uthi ukubihleli la ekhoneni nangithi ngiyahlola ngithola lo mkhukhu lo uza la wafike wabhrika lapha bangithi ngiyasukuma ngiyabaleka mangiya ngaphakathi ngithola ukuthi masenka wasekho.
Amawururachiye unganabo bona umonakalo kumasipalata weChief Albert Luthuli eGarlina eMpumalanga. Emakhaya ngokuhlukahlukana siyalochisa begodu siyakwamukela indabeni zesiNdebele ku-SABC1 lotshani emakhaya. Ungqongqotshe wokuthoma wezifundo ngaphasi kombuso wedemocracy owabuye waba mzenda weGermany uProfessor Sibusiso Bengu ubuke ngokudosa phambili ukwakhiwa kwehlelo lefundo leSouth Africa. Isekela likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile uhloniphe uProfessor Bengu ngendima ayilimileko kwezefundo ekonzweni yesilahlo eUniversity yeZululand.
Amaphoyisa ahloniphe uSolwazi uSibusiso Bengu owayenguthisha aphinde abe yisifundiswa. uSolwazi uBhengu utuswa kakhulu ngeqhaza lakhe ekuthuthukiseni ezemfundo kuleli ngemuva kokuphatha kuhulumeni wengcindezelo.
Professor Bengu has played a key role in shaping education and other social policies, contributing to the transformation of the sector and most importantly, reversing the legacy of apartheid education.
Osopolitiki bachaze uBhengu njengomholi obeqotho futhi ethembekile.
Professor Bengu was a father, a mentor, a role model and a moral guide to upright and responsible and patriotic citizenry, as well as a leadership with integrity.
But what was remarkable to me about Professor Bengu was his humility. He was the most experienced, as I said, but there wasn't a tinge of arrogance in him. He was approachable, humble, but profound.
Umndeni wakhe uBhengu uthi ukuzinikela kwakhe enkolweni yobuKristu kwenze ukuthi asebenzele abantu bakuleli ngokwethembeka.
Ubaba was of exceptional ability. You know, one of the biggest challenges that we have is to choose incompetent people that cannot do the work, and so to really be able to choose people that are able.
Kuvaleliswa umholi ekuthiwa ke iqhaza lakhe lingene emkhakheni eyahlukahlukene kuleli. uSolwazi uBhengu ufihlwe emthunzini. NginguSimpiwe Makhanya wezindaba zeSABC ngikwadlangezwa.
Nakusenjalo ungqongqotshe wezesayensi, itechnology nezobukhoni uBlade Nzimande uveze ingikhumbuzo ezihle zodwa ngoBhengu oselazile kiboyise omkhulu. uDr Nzimande ukhumbule ingikhathi zakhe ezibudisi zempilo lapho batsho uProf Bengu amboleka khona imali yokufunda eUniversity ngo-1977. Wabe wenza ihlaya uDr Nzimande ngokuthi kulapho ke kwathoma khona ukuba nesikhwama sokusiza abafundi ngemali zokufunda emazikweni wemfundo yaphakemeko iNational Student Financial Aid Scheme.
September 1977, I had run out of funds to study at university. I was short of 100 rand, actually, which was a lot of money at the time because the total fees were just over 400 rands. And Professor Pengu gave me a loan. A few of us, and we signed for that loan. I paid it when I was working, actually. When I reflect and think about that, maybe those were the beginnings of NSFAS, because there was no NSFAS at that time. That saved me from dropping out at university.
Unzimande uthi uyazwisisa ukuthi umndeni kaBhengu uzwe ubuhlungu kodwa uthi kufanele uzikhakhazise ngokuba nelunga lomndeni elikwazileko ukwenza amajugulu kwangaka.
Makhulukhulu wabantu abaphumeleleko ekonzweni yesikhumbuzo sikaSihlalo wobukhosi bakwaNzunzafene uKosabo Thugwana. Ihlangano yabaholi bendabuko iContralesa kunye nenhlangano ezibasebenzisani beANC eMpumalanga baba wamapholisa ukuthi abafumana bogalajana ababulele umntwana wenkosi uThugwana. Kanti ikonzo yesikhumbuzo beyiseholweni yethemba lethu eMpumalanga.
Bekumathuwa wodwa kile konzo emndenini kunye nemalungeni womphakathi avela endaweni ngendawo. Bonke njalo bebazokubhodla emswaneni kilo holo yomphakathi. Amakhosana, amaduna, abosonkondlo, abosomabhizinisi bebakhala iminyembezi ngokuzigubela ngamasino. Bawowoda bavuma nengoma zomzabalazo balinga ukwamukela ukuthi mbala akasekho uThugwana. Isekela lomholi weContralesa inkosi Nyala Lapilani uthi balobe ilunga ebelizinikele emsebenzini walo wakhombela bomthetho bona balulisandla.
We are also as Contralesa very worried and concerned about the killings of Amakhosi. This is not for the first time, and we have always been trying to insist that the traditional leaders should be protected.
Inhlangano ezihlanganisela yeANC eMpumalanga zithi themba lazo lisemthethweni.
Akusi country noma indawo ekufanele ukuthi ibuswe zinilelesi. Kufanele ukuthi umbuso udlale indima enkulu ngoba umphakathi urelaya noma unethemba embusweni ukuthi ngumbuso ozakwenza sure ukuthi lenilelesi zenze umonakalo omumbi kangaka siyabotshwa.
uThugwana uyophekelelwa kiboyise emkhulu ngemva kwekonzo eyokubanjelwa eholweni yethemba lethu ngosondo ngehour lethoba ekuseni. Wakhathesi akunamuntu oselabotshiwe ngesehlakalo lesi. Ngingumapande Thombeni wendabeni zeSABC ngibika ngiseJohannesburg.
Abonesi ababili bebasebenza ichief yebusuku bathunjiwe babe bayokata emtholapilo weHatshweni ngaphandle kwepulukwane eLimpopo. Kuzwakala bona kufike indoda ebeyihlomile yabopha bogadi kanti amapholisa asaphenya.
Umtholapilo yindawo yokuletha impilo njengoba nalisitsho nje negama lakhona. Kodwa nalo wona uphenduka indawo yobulelesi. Amapholisa athi iphenyo lenziwe koliveze bona indoda ehlomleyo ifike ngendlovu yangena emtholapilo phakathi kobusuku yabhudungela bogada abathathu. Yababopha izandla yabavalela ngekamraneni elincane. Ngemva kwalokho yachinga ngewadini lapha ithole khona amanesi amabili. Lokhu ke kwaba kuthoma kubuhlungu obuthetha ama-hour amane emanesini lami. Thiwa abatsho amanesi la athunjiwe asiwe ehlathini ekukulapha bethu yabe akatwa.
And it alleged that they were assaulted and also sexually assaulted. So at around 4 a.m., one of the security personnel managed to escape from where they were tied and locked and ran to the nearby community to ask for help. They called the police.
Oshikwambana uthi njenganje amanesi la alulekwa ngokomkhumbulo. Uthi sehlakalo esisibuyisele emuva amahlelo womnyango lo wokuthi emtholapilo isebenza ubusuku nemini ama-iri 24.
How do you then convince nurses to come and work at night in a facility like this, more so when the perpetrators are not yet arrested?
Amanesi amabili la amalunga we-union yabasebenzi iHospesa. Kanti union le ithi umnyango lo wethu lihlelo elimtholapilo nanyana umtholapilo lo ungakalungeli ukwenza njalo.
If we can go deep, you will see that some of the security elements are not in proper place, yet department allowed the 24 service to continue.
I-union yamanesi donosa ibuzisisa ngekhono labo gade emsebenzini nabo.
We are questioning the competency of the security personnel who were deployed in these facilities, who are working during the night.
Umnyango lo uvala umtholapilo lokwesikhatshana kanti ezinye izakhamuzi zithi zithonyekile ngokuvalwa komtholapilo lo ngombana azithembelekiwo.
This clinic is a clinic that we have trusted because it's the only clinic right around the Chweni site.
Amapholisa anathemba lokubana bakhona bazokubotshwa maduze nje.
Definitely going to apprehend him in no time. Our multidisciplinary forces, as you have seen, the FCS and the mounted unit, everyone is here. We're working very hard to ensure that we apprehend the suspect.
Kana amapholisa phenya amaqala wokukata, ukuthumba nokubamba ikunzi.
Amapholisa ngokubambisana nama-Hawks namapholisa kumasipalata weJohannesburg kunye nenkampani ezijameleko yabogadi bachiphirize ihlelo lesiqhema esisolwa ngokuthumba abantu eSandringham eJohannesburg.
Ngemva kokulunywa ngendlebe imphathimandla zihlangula abantu abama-26 ekukholwa ukuthi badabuke eEthiopia. Batholakale bavalelwe endlini ethileko eseSandringham eJohannesburg. Imbiko ithi batholakale babulanzi. Kuthe nasele kuphenywa ukuya phambili kwabotshwa abasola abathathu abasolwa ngokuthumba abantu nokutholakala baphethe isigidi esingasisemthethweni.
Atheke kufikeni kwawo amapolisa afumanisa into okubana abantu bathesa apha and ke okwenene ke bahambaze abanye banzakele baye abo bathe benzakele ke banyanzeleke amapolisa ancedane nabo ukuba balekisela esibhedlela ukuthi bafumane uncedo lokuqala.
Iphiko lama-Hawks lithi eminye imininingwana ngendaba le beyingakabi ukuzwakala. Iphenyo lisaraga.
Amahuru achiye umonakalo omkhulu kumasipalata weChief Albert Luthuli eGarlina eMpumalanga. Umasipalata usahlola ubungakho bomonakalo kanti izakhamuzi ezithintekileko zinikelwe intende zesikhatshana.
Amahuru anamandla achiye omkhulu umonakalo. Aphephula imfulelo aphadla amafestiri nensilingi zaborokela izakhamuzi ezithintekileke kubalwa kizo noJohana Lupete bebasadobhadobha kusenobhadekelo umfulelo womzakhe uphephuke wonke konakala ifurniture kwathamba nezambatho ngechudu akakho limeleko
yezwa ukuthi vuvubuhleli la ekhoneni nangithi ngiyahlola ngithola lo mkhukhulo uza la wafike wabrika lapha bangithi ngiyasukuma ngiyabaleka mangiyangaphakathi ngithola ukuthi masenka wasekho
kanti khona eduze apha umndeni wakwaNkosi akhange usale nawo kulihlekelele balobe yonke into
azanke bamnandi ngithi nje siwumndeni ngoba into enzekile sivuke ekseni kwavela isiphepho esincane kodwa senza umehluko omkhulu sathatha wonke amasenke ifurniture yathelwa amanzi.
Umasipalata weChief Albert Luthuli usahlola ubungako bomonakalo unikela nangesizo kulabo abathintekileko.
As a municipality siletha iservice lekhona lesinayo njengama tent netiponchi kanye nekudla ke iNGO khona lesilekeleleke laba affected sikhonile badelivela ema food parcel.
Indawo le ivamile ukusahlelwa amahurura ingozi. Lindeleke linye izulu ngempela veke le.
Nasibuya entolo.
I don't know what the future holds, but I'm hoping it's good marks. I know I performed well. I'm nervous, but then I hope so. Is he what I was hoping for? Kuzoyenzeka next week.
Kukhuthazwa ababelethi nemndeni ukuthi basekele abafundi baka matric ngoba imikhumbulo yabo igandelelekile ngemiphumela abayilindeleko. Sisaraga nendaba lapha nazi kuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube SABC Plus X na ku TikTok astrake nazo. Abanye abalandeli bomvumi weKwaito uDoc Shebeleza obhubhe izolo ekseni bazwakalise ukuthukwa nokudana ngokubhubha kwakhe. Abalandeli bakhe bathi ukhambe angabonakala ukuthi akasimnandi emzimbeni.
Umvumi weKwaito wabelethelwe eSoweto uVictor Bogopane waziwa ngelika Doc Shebeleza ubhubha neminyaka ema-54. uShebeleza wagijinyiselwa esibhedlela ngoNobayeni ngomnyaka opheleleko wayokusikwa bekufanele abuyela ayokusikwa godu iveke ngomvulo. Ubhubha nje ikore ukuzithabisa isalile ngokukhamba komunye umvumi uWinnie Khumalo.
I was so heartbroken today when I heard on the news that Dr. Shebeleza has passed away, because he's a legendary, he's an icon in the music industry. Yes, because I want to be because a few days back, I was Winnie Khumalo.
Umlandeli bekamthanda khulu uxoliwe ngokuzwa ngendaba zebhubha kaDr. Shebeleza azizwa ngesaqhema sephiko lendaba ze-SABC. Ukhumbula ukugcina ukumbona kwakhe anandisa Soweto umnyaka opheleleko uthi bekaphile tswe.
Ha ke mona a performa go disofeng ke monile motho o performang ha mnate ene o performile yona pine ya hae re ratang ka fela gona ya gets.
uShebeleza uthi unina abantwana bekhabo kunye nebakhe.
Ihlangano esisekela abagandeleke ngokomkhumbulo iSADC ikhombe labafundi bakaMatric bango-2024 bona behlise umoya bangathuka kakhulu njengoba nabalinde imiphumela ezokuphuma ngeveke zako.
Badela ubuthongo babo bafunda bahlole inhlahlubo nje sikhathi sokulinda. Abafundi ababeSoweto bathi abasakhona ukulinda.
It's mixed emotions. I can't even understand them because immediately after I was done writing, I've been looking forward to the day.
I won't lie, I'm nervous, but then I hope so. What I was hoping for kuzoyenzeka next week.
Bathi bathuswa ukuthi bayokwenzani nabangafumani imiphumela bebayihlosile. Bathi lokho ngaba siqabo ekutheni baye phambili.
I don't know what the future holds, but I'm hoping it's good marks. I know I performed well, but futhi I'm very afraid of all the times I chose to sleep.
South African Depression and Anxiety Group ithi ingenile imtato. Kanti abasebenza ngokuzinikela abalinga ngakho konke kusemandleni ukunikela abafundi ithemba nokubana behlisa umoya.
I think the matriculants need to take a step back and look at how far they've come. Having to get to where they are right now, that had to be a lot of hard work that they put in. I think they need to embrace the fact that they've reached this far, and they have to also acknowledge the fact that the journey might have not been easy, but they made it.
iSADC bababelethi bona basekela abantwana babo kinanyana ngibuphi ubujamo. Kanti abafundi bakaMatric bangadosela inombolo ethi 0800 567 567 nabazithola bahlanganyelwa ihloko.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ngayo indaba le nakumbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Lembuzo ethi wawubhale kanjani uyazethemba yini noma kunjani kufanele sibuyisele eceleni.
Usimpela uphusa impela kodwa ngithi noma ufelile ungalahli ithemba.
Abafundi kumele sibafakele ingcindezi kakhulu kodwa asibanike yonke isupport njengoba kuzophuma ama results.
Ulula ukwehlisa imimoya yengane zethu masibhekene nazo zekufitshane. Manje ugovernment udecide ukukhipha ama results very late. Abantwana sebehleli bebodwa izawudina depression ingenyuka.
Umbona ke umbukele SABC ayizukuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono umbukele. Kezemali ranta lehlile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Inqheme ezintathu zebholo eragwako zithi zizimisele ukudlulela esigabeni esilandelayo ephaliswaneni weCAF.
iSundowns inomlando omuhle ephaliswaneni leCAF Champions League. Kanti izinkutani zebhigiri yeCAF zango-2016 isebujameni besibili kuGroup B ngamaphuzu amahlanu. Kusasa iyokuhlangana neManiema Union eDR Congo. iPirates esesiqongolweni kuGroup C ngamaphuzu abu9 yona ke yokubambana ne-CR Belouizdad ngosondo ngemva kwamadina.
It would be nice, it would be a very good thing for our country to see two teams going to the knockout stages.
To put us in a better position in the group and going outside the group, because we are Mamelodi Sundowns. Each game we play, we want to win it.
Ngakele inhlangothi iStellenbosch FC inamathuba amaningi okudlulela esigabeni esilandelako sengiqhama ezibunane ku-CAF Confederations Cup.
We're positive as a team. We know what we can do. This weekend will be a tough game, but I believe we can win.
iStellenbosch inestade malien eLoftus ngosondo.
Bukeli ngomvulo indaba zesindebele zizobe zingekho emoyeni. Sizokubuya ngelesithathu. Kodwa nakusasazi siziswati zikhona kanike nje sinchiyane ngekondlo yokukhumbula uThugwana.
Kanti nakusenjalo nembongo izithola ithuba lokukhumbula uThugwana ngenkondlo.
Ngiyalochisa esigodlweni sakho mntwana enkosi Nkosabo Christian Thugwana. Nanoma umhlaba sowusidimile ubuhle bakho ngokwenyama. Yazi ngiza ngiyanyatha inyathelo ngizishekeni ngombana kwesakho isigodlo kuyahlonipheka. Thugwana mangana ngikhamba ingedwa kodwa ngikhamba nesitshaba samanzunza. Kukhona bangakhange bakhona ukuzwa kodwa bangiphathisile inyembezi. Lokho ukuzwa kuhayiza ngehla kwakho akusilo iphimbo nje kodwa kuyiphororo yenyembezi zikanzunza bayalila bathi silahlekelwe. Leli gazi likunukela impumulweni akusilo igazana nje. Akekho ohlabileko kodwa ukuhlatshwe thina isitshaba sakho Nkosabo. Okwenzekileka siqabuye kodwa besithemba lokubanyana kukhona ungakuvimba. Njenga nje sikubhlungu sibethekela ngophiko kuyezwela.